Hey, Brian here with Hidden Falls Adventure Park. Back out at the park with Trey from Blady's. Maybe you just got your Jeep and you're not sure how to take your doors off. We're gonna go through that today, right now. Trey, what do you say?
Let's do it.
All right, tell me what I'm doing here.
So you need a few tools here to get this done. The Jeep does come with a really nice toolkit, but there's a T50 Torx bolt on the bottom here. Those are the door bolts. And then there's a T40 Torx here. I actually have the lazy man's friend, a little electric ratchet. JLs and JT Gladiators have this. JKs do not.
Grease or anything in any of that stuff?
No, sir. And then you're gonna take this cover off, and that's where your electrical stuff is.
On that cover, can I just pull that off?
You can just pull it, stick your thumb in there and pull towards the back, and it pops right
Okay.
off. There is a connector here on a JK. There's actually gonna be a little button you push, and then you pull down, kind of a traditional polarized plug. This one actually has a little lever. There's a safety piece in there that you move up a little.
Oh man, it slides it all out for you. Man, that's awesome.
And so then that strap, you know, is part of this wiring harness. You actually have to take that and kind of pull it over the top, catch there. And it's pretty simple. You have the bolts out there. You have the wiring harness disconnected, the strap disconnected, the bolts out of the door, and it's a simple just pick it up and lift.
Man, this guy must work out.
It's aluminum.
Okay. And then where do you keep these?
There's actually a special place for them. You can see here they're even marked door hinges.
Hey.
Roof,
Ding
if
dong.
you have a hard top, and windshield if you want to take the windshield out.
There we go. Hey, so we got the doors off. As you can see, really easy process. Anybody can do it. You have all the tools you need in your Jeep toolbox. We've got the doors sitting over here in the rack, so when you come into the park, dude, no worries, just drop them in there. Dude, let's go hit the trail now we got the doors off.
Don't fall out!
Hey, Brian here with Hidden Falls. Yeah! I'm gonna take the doors off today and show you how to do that.
Awesome.
Let's go.
Do it. Nobody here's awkward at all.
This is completely normal.
Yeah. Why am I doing this?
This is
I don't know what to do with my
this
hands.
is very natural, actually.